If you're facing a problem where your Dropbox is simply not syncing, this might be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet, so let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to simply go ahead and try to do is force close your Dropbox application and try to reopen it. If that is not the case, it might be because of your internet connection. So simply go ahead and open your settings, go down to General, scroll all the way down to Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset and Reset Network Settings. This will ask you for your PIN. Simply go ahead and enter that and it should go ahead and fix your problem. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and try to toggle between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data just to ensure a stable internet connection. Also make sure that VPN is turned off and try toggling on and off your airplane mode just to go ahead and give it that quick refresh. If none of it works, you might have no other options but to uninstall and reinstall your application. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.